everybody. Welcome to my first YouTube video. Today I will guide you step by step on how to set up the Java Development Kit JDK on Windows 11. So let's get started the video. First, let's check if JDK is already installed on your system or not. So go to the taskbar, search option, type CMD and press enter. In command prompt, type this command java space hyphen hyphen version and press enter. If JDK is installed, it will show the version, but if it's not installed, you will show the error like Java is not recognized as an internal or external command. That means we need to download and install it. So click the close. So let's go to the download page. Open your browser, type download Java and press enter. You will click the second link, download the latest Java LTS free. Don't worry guys, I will provide this download link in description. After click the link, you will see the different versions in JDK. But I will recommended you will download the JDK 21 version because it is stable and LTS free, lifetime supported. After that, scroll down and choose your operating system. It is available in Linux, macOS or Windows. But we need download for Windows option. Choose Windows option and under Windows choose x64 installer link. Click the link and choose where you install this file or download this file. I choose the drive and save. Wait few minutes. You have looked that your exe file has downloading started. Once the file is downloaded, double click to start the installation. You will show the pop-up message or pop-up window and click the yes option. After that, the setup wizard will appear. Just keep the click next and as it is same the location and click next, and after that the installation process is started. When it is complete the installation, click close and go to the file explorer, go to this PC and go to the C drive. Under C drive, go to program files and you can see the new file is created. The name is Java. Click Java. Under Java JDK 21, under bin folder, click it and select the path. Right click and copy this. Minimize the window and again go to the taskbar, search option. Now we need to set up the environment variable so Java works anywhere on your system. So type environment variable. You will see the option edit the system environment variable. Press enter. Under system properties window, click the environment variable. Under environment variable window, go to the system variable, scroll down, select the path and click an edit option. After that, click the new option and right click paste the copied path. Then click the OK in all windows. OK, OK, and again OK. Now verify to check if the installation is perfectly or not. Again, open CMD, press enter. Again, same command, Java space hyphen hyphen version, and press enter. Time you should see the installed JDK versions. So congratulations guys, you have successfully installed JDK on your system on your Windows 11. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tutorials. See you in the next one. Thank you.